Pour a small amount of water over the cleaned air conditioning coils and watch it flow away to confirm proper drainage. After cleaning the coils, start by removing any access panels and visually inspect the condensate pan and drain channels for remaining debris or scale. Use a stiff, soft bristle brush to clear visible blockages, and then pour a cup of water slowly over the coil area while observing the drain path. Water should move steadily into the drain line and not collect on the coil faces or in the pan. If drainage is slow, probe the drain opening with a plastic pipe cleaner or a flexible brush to re-clear the holes, and then repeat the slow pour test. For systems with accessible drain lines, follow with a flush of warm water mixed with a 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar to break up biofilm without harming plastics. Run the system for 10 to 15 minutes to generate condensate, and watch beneath the unit for any new puddling that would indicate an ongoing blockage or improper pan alignment. If you see wet insulation, rust, or water streaks, stop and inspect the drain slope and pan seam for cracks and reseal or reposition as needed. Common issues include slow or no drainage because of a partial clog in the drain holes or line. Fix by re-clearing with a flexible brush and flushing with warm vinegar solution. Another frequent problem is standing water caused by a misaligned or damaged condensate pan that lets water bypass the drain. Correct by repositioning the pan, tightening fasteners, or replacing a cracked pan so water is directed into the drain. A third concern is biological growth causing recurring clogs and odors. Treat by cleaning the coil and drain with an appropriate biocide follow-up, and schedule periodic maintenance every 3 to 6 months to prevent buildup. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting users search listings and read community discussions about similar projects. We help contractors find work by listing their services and letting them engage with our discussion community to build reputation and share practical tips.